Machines are getting sophisticated day by day. Customer expectations are becoming very high as such tool life is concerned, sump life is concerned, corrosion protection is concerned.
It was very easy for AltaLUB customers to put the product into formulation and see the other benefits on the emulsion stability, lubricity and cooling effect.
AltaLUB 5300 was designed with precision in mind. This product means smoother cuts and less wear and tear on tools and enables a more cost-effective formulation.
Formulation with AltaLUB 5300 is very easy without disturbing other parameters of the concentrate. And stability is excellent.
AltaLUB 53000 has already met customer expectations and it's a really good product to look forward from the Ingevity portfolio.